Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Apex Investor Daily Update for Monday, July 26th. A big loser today was ITRM, minus 44%. BTBT was the big winner at plus 109%. Today, a lot of the crypto related stocks, such as Coinbase, Canaan, SOS, and Mara, all went up. They were up significantly today because Bitcoin is up over 11% today. So, very good signs for those Bitcoin investors or crypto investors. Looking at Wall Street bets, the big talk of the day was Lucid, LCID. I've been tracking this stock for over a year now. Uh, it was known as CCIV before the merger. This is a great stock. This is the next Tesla. I have no doubt about that. However, the entry point, you don't want to get in at this price, $26. You're looking at 17 as your entry point, maybe even 10 to 17. A more realistic entry point, probably, I think you're looking at 17, just to be more realistic. If you are bullish, as I am on this stock, this is a great deal. Getting this anything between 17, 18, or even sub 20. This is at 26.83 right now. The volume was really good today, 31 million. 52-week range, I see 24. Oh, actually, this is a wrong number because this is only including today. So it was trading between 24 to $20. Uh, but again, this stock has so much potential. It was at the highest $58 per share. So yeah, you're better off getting in at a good entry point. Again, your entry point will make or break you. So get in, I'd say between 17 to 18, but no more than 20. 17 to 18 is a good range. If you can get that under, then even better. Looking at GME and AMC, the two giants, GameStop was trading between 178 to 186. Volume was the paltry 1/6 of what it usually does. So again, this is on a somewhat downward trend, although it is up about 1.98%. I do see this just trending downward, even though it seems to be stabilizing. But again, we'll see. We'll see what happens if it does squeeze again. AMC is up 8.92%, trading between 37 to $40. This is stabilizing as well, and the volume is about half, well, way less than half the average. And then closing off here with Metamaterials, our darling stock, Metamaterials, is trading between 339 to 373. Volume was just over half, 14 million. And yeah, again, this is a great fire sale price for Metamaterials. I'm going to end it there. Moving over to Wall Street Bets. The first post here I opened regarding Lucid Motors. One thing that really stood out to me was this DD pointing out that one of the largest investors into Lucid is a Saudi fund that holds over $430 billion in assets. This is the PIF, Public Investment Fund. So one of the proposals is for Lucid to open or to build a factory in Saudi Arabia. So if that does actually occur, this is going to be a very big development, and they're going to be investing essentially into Saudi and Saudi as well into Lucid. So yeah, it's just only biting very well for this company to become the next Tesla. Metamaterials due diligence here. It says Metamaterials is a company I just recently discovered on Reddit. So there's a post here. I'm not going to go over all of this, but I might do a separate video just on this post. It's going through a lot of things, like summarizing essentially why this company is a good investment. So let me just bookmark it. That bookmark that. Okay, and moving on to Ortex. This is the Metamaterials Ortex post talking about how over 3.28 million shares were borrowed today. Uh, this is just going to explode very, very soon. for metamaterials. Veal find veal air. Okay, it looks like it's German. So it says the more people are whining about metamaterials, long is a long-term only play. The more I'm convinced there will be strong price action, very very short term. So there are a lot of people. I mean, even this channel, I do uh, promote this as a long-term stock. Not that it is only a long-term stock. That's not what it is. Yes, I do believe that by April, actually maybe even earlier than then, but by 2022, the stock will certainly be higher than what we're seeing right now in the $3, $4 range. But certainly by April 1st, 2022, I bet my whole channel on this. If this is below $4, we're just going to delete this channel. I won't exist anymore. But this could be a short-term play. I don't want to just write it. It's not nothing's written in stone as to say this can't squeeze before then. It would be foolish for me to predict that this is the only play. But in terms of long term, as a long term investment, is very, very good. I'm very bullish on this. Same as I was with GameStop and AMC. Here's a post showing you how metamaterials is the number three most popular stock. I think this is for today, just behind AMC and GameStop. Wow. Fourth is Neo, the Chinese EV company there. I don't know why Robinhood is trending. Just ignore that. I think that's going to fail very badly. From the Canadian government. Okay, so there's a post from the Canadian government website about metamaterials. So these shorts, they're betting against essentially not just the Department of Defense, U.S. government, federal government. They're also betting against the Canadian federal government. These are the backers. So if I was a hedge fund, I would steer clear of that. You don't want to go against the government. That's not a battle you're going to win. And metamaterials, if they can, bring their technology to fruition, meantime will tell whether that will come to pass. But one of the most promising aspects of their products is a potential uh, cloaking technology. It sounds like sci-fi, but if you look into their website, you look at what they do. These metamaterials not only can absorb light, they also reflect light, they block light, and enhance light. So, in terms of solar energy, it can increase the efficiency of solar panels. In terms of again planes, aviation, even aerospace, it can provide possibly cloaking technology or stealth technology, but true cloaking invisibility technology. It sounds so wild for me to just say that, but that could be very much a reality in the next 10, 20 years, maybe even before that. But this is the company spearheading actual cloaking technology. Okay, so that's all I have for you for this video. So far, it's a great start for the week for those of you invested into Bitcoin or crypto related stocks. Again, this is the calm before the storm. Metamaterials is going to most likely, I'm not going to say it is 100% guaranteed, but it is most likely to take off sometime from August 10th and afterwards. So again, this is a test of our patience, a test of your faith into the stock. Same way you may have been tested with GameStop, AMC, and just being tested in this market. It is a test of patience, a test of character, a test of the due diligence that you should be doing, not just believing everyone on the internet, including myself. Don't just believe everything that I say or somebody posts, but you have to do your due diligence, do your homework, do your research, prove these things. Whether this company is just spewing just PR, is it just all talk, or are they can they back it up with a history of proven deals like they've had with Boeing, with Lockheed Martin. I think Samsung was there in their history, and then you could look at their deals again with the U.S. government and the Canadian federal government as well. So thank you again for your time. Appreciate all the support, the likes, subscribes, and views. I just do this as a service, a free service. I'm not trying to make money from this. I don't care whether this channel explodes or not. I'm not about that. I'm just about to, giving a public service for people, just pro bono. So thank you very much again. Apex Investor signing out and hope to catch you tomorrow. And God bless you all, and God bless your investments.